In a large bowl, add 1 chopped lettuce, a handful of cherry tomatoes, a half chopped cucumbers, and a small quarter of an onion. In another cup, I'm adding pink salt, pepper, olive oil, and lemon juice. Mix everything and add as per your liking and add how much ever you want. Mix this really well, and this dressing will go into the veggies. Pour them. Now I'm adding half tofu. You can add whatever protein you like, chicken, paneer, chickpeas, anything that you like. Now mix everything well so that every veggies is coated with the dressing. You can add more seasoning as per your taste. Mix them really well and transfer it in a bowl and enjoy the delicious and healthy tofu salad. Please let me know.